Are you ready to grow your money but don't know where to start? You've heard about mutual funds, but what are they really? And more importantly, how can they help you build wealth over time, even if you're not a financial expert? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how mutual funds work, why they might be perfect for beginners, and how you can start investing today. Let's dive in. Simple animation of a group of people pooling money. A mutual fund is like a money pot. Imagine a bunch of people pooling their money together. That money is then used to buy a variety of investments like stocks, bonds, or other assets. It's all managed by a professional fund manager who makes the decisions on where to invest. Instead of picking stocks yourself, you're trusting an expert to do it for you. It's like hiring a chef instead of cooking the meal yourself. You enjoy the meal while the chef handles the hard part. Number 2, how mutual funds work. Here's how it works. You invest in a mutual fund by buying its units. The fund manager then takes that money and invests it across a wide variety of assets, spreading out the risk. This is called diversification. It helps protect your money. If one investment doesn't do well, others might do better and balance things out. The value of your mutual fund units goes up or down based on how well those investments perform. You can earn money in 2 ways. Either the fund's value grows or it gives you payouts called dividends. Number 3, types of all mutual funds. Let's talk types. Not all mutual funds are created equal. Here are 4 common types. 1, equity funds. These invest mainly in stocks, higher risk but higher potential returns. 2, debt funds. These invest in bonds, lower risk but more stable. 3, hybrid funds, a mix of both stocks and bonds, good for balanced growth. 4, index funds. These follow a market index like the S&P 500, low cost and great for beginners. Think of them like different dishes on a menu. Some are spicy, some are sweet. Your taste depends on your risk appetite. Number 4, benefits of mutual funds. Why do people love mutual funds? Here are the top benefits. Professional management. Experts make the calls for you. Diversification reduces risk affordability. Start with as little as $100 or $10. Liquidity. You can redeem your units easily. Checkmark transparency. Regular updates and disclosures. It's like having a personal financial advisor without paying thousands. Number 5, things to watch out for. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You need to watch for expense ratios. That's the annual fee you pay the fund. Lower is better. Exit loads. Some funds charge if you withdraw money too soon. Market risk. Yes, there's still a risk of loss. No fund can guarantee profits. Always read the fine print before investing. Knowledge is your best defense. Number 6, how to start investing in mutual funds. Ready to get started? Here's how. 1, pick your goal. Retirement, buying a house. 2, choose the right fund based on your risk and time. 3, open an account with a broker or app. 4, start small. Even 500 rupees a month through SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. 5, stay consistent. Let your money grow over time. Remember, mutual fund investing is like planting a tree. Water it regularly, and it grows big over time. Number 7, myths. Busted. Time to bust some myths. Mutual funds are only for experts. Nope, anyone can start. I need a lot of money to invest. Not true. You can start with very little. It's too risky, only if you don't understand it. With the right fund, risk is manageable. Number 8, final thoughts. Mutual funds are a powerful tool to grow your wealth over time, even if you're just starting out. It's about being smart, consistent and patient. So, don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start investing is today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and happy investing.